Thank Jah for life. Morning, we're not going with our afternoon rather. Now wasting no time. So in this video, we are going river. We're going to the river with Richard Brown and team. All of the actors and all. I don't know why they are going to the river. Oh, I hear Curious say something about them are going to shoot movies, so we can probably get some behind the scenes. So, yep, we are going to the river. I take you with me. Leave a like on the video. Long time subscribers. If it's your first time over here, definitely leave a like. And check out previous content so you can understand what happens over here. You'll be entertained. So, first time over here, subscribe. Long time subscribers, please be reminded to like the video. And yeah, how we go river? Find out where Richard Brown and Curious and the whole team are going. Follow. I know I said Benta River I did say first, but with the Roaring River, I might go Benta just the same because I'm here Curious I say I'm not really into the crowd. See him over that side then. So Brown, come on, go on out of so there, talk to the people and pick and fast.
We are Roaring River. I'm trying to get it together with a drive and one bag of something. So with the Roaring River, for those who don't know where they are one place, then Roaring River, it is one of those special places in Westmoreland where you can go and swim, can enjoy the sightseeing, you see me? So we are shooting a movie, so like the Roaring River piece side, you see it?
So we are here with Normal Boss, you know, Alton that.
One normal. Ready? One normal. Jamaica, man. One normal. Where you guys from?
Outside of Boston, Massachusetts.
Boston, Massachusetts.
Worcester, 508.
Big up yourself, man. Big up yourself, man. No,
Get it,
you know, there with Jamaica movie star Richard Brown. Jamaica Entertainment. We shoot movies here, for real. And actors. You can check it out on YouTube.
What is the name?
Richard Brown Film.
Curious there, Richie wanna just say a while ago. Antoinette, who is co-producer, and my friend Natasha. So we'll look around the place. Hi Natasha.
Hi.
So Candy then that travel with you as well, but them then are on a different vehicle. Look like them probably lost. You know, we don't know what going on. So that's how we are doing right now. We are waiting for Candy them. So in the meantime, we just look for people that jump off a bridge and all that things. Alright, next stop, Benta, or behind the scenes.
Laundromat. So we do it in Jamaica.
Why you never care that?
Yo, fire I say your bad pan, your clothes.
So why you care yours?
So how many is the car?
Me have a shake out.
No, who back with the car? The man just say, cash on sheet. Your bad pan and your sheet. So like your bad pan and your sheet. The man say your clothes. You know what's your clothes? Watch out now. Watch together your bumbo. Yeah. Just take off the pants and the pants are good there. Become a ready grab one. I don't know what to get the pants. I'm going to like that. That's right. Stop now. Can't go and start for something. Come. That's what I can do. River. Yo, I can come tell you something about pregnant. Now there is one box of pregnant food we can get. Come in. No man, we're not close there for watch. No, Richie has some clothes in our back, in back. Look some more clothes. Popeye, looking at chunk. Popeye, looking at chunk. You see? I told time I'm going to
When you don't go jump off and left people alone.
Can you come get yourself to get on can't waste time now?
So Mr. Brown, what are they saying now?
You go and see how tell Candy say a river and go. You carry river attire. Candy insist say you want to go in the water in a long pants, jeans pants. Come!
So yeah guys, we're still the Rowan River. As you can see the crew there over that side. I'm gonna try to get ready to shoot the scenes. I don't know how them are gonna deal with the sounds from the river. So I realize the clips that are close to the river and have whole heap on it. So I don't know how them are gonna deal with that. But they're over there preparing for the scene. When them start shoot, I go back over there, get some clips so I can see everything. But right now what I'm going is some attire business. Them are try to get props together. I don't know, something about clothes and what I feel look somebody call me like so I kind of lose track of myself. So yeah, when them start shoot again, we get the video. So yeah.
Because me on chocolate candy, you start chocolate candy. Candy, how you see me from there, so? How you see me from there, so? A different sit me and laugh over.
Wash. Being. I'll go back home. That bike I want, so I'm not going to be it too.
That's the more really hold it. And you want to go further, they go Jones, go Jones. We have fish.
Yeah, what?
I'm a swimmer.
Okay.
Yeah, fish. Swim around. I'm telling you.
I love how my shirt look funny, you see. Now watch that, a cologne. That no frowns in a bad color, cologne. Stain! Stain!
Stop turning, you have video. Just go walk coming like you catch water. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know if you got the Cheers, fam.
I'm supposed to water then give me a one.
I'm telling you, come.
Eh? You don't got none. Right, Bob?
Ready?
Line up. Yo! Get to up, line up, come. Come. Line up, come.
Candy, your belly big, so that means your belly must be the two pin again. You get two pin here, the candy, you're going to get on pin again. A young girl. I don't know if you're going to a young girl. I got the good man. Candy, find one spot and stuff. You want some weed? You want weed? You want weed? Weed. Some more. Take off the pants, can you have a shoe? You're going to give you a massive shoe.
Yeah, switch around then, no fire.
The way I want to stop. Alton gone for it. He said gone for it.
So what's not supposed to water?
I'll take off the clothes and take off the one of them. You don't want to take off. Take off the clothes then. You can't put on the shorts and up candy. Net and herring. See? Who does that? You start net and make it done. And that's why it's ready to go around by the river. Put on what they chain that's up on the river. Put on the chain everything. Pan the river kind of one then last. Strip off everything. Which shot? Come here, man. What's that? Good girl. You see a big belly, at your breed make a big belly. If anyone want big belly, you shouldn't breed. Backside you have two daughters. Nothing wrong with the belly if you have stretch mark on the girl. Good. Represent. Lift up. Represent the motherhood and not clear me. Yes, sir. Represent the motherhood and not matter square me. Alright now. Candy. Put an Alton shot.
Alton shot, good.
I see him put Alton shots.
He got me in front.
Alright, Candy, go ahead.
This.
What's the other one? What's that? What's the shot down put on it then? Because it's dirty now. What's the shot down put on it then?
You put on.
Alright, Candy, go ahead. Go got bent to go swim. Go got bent to go swim, man. I can't drain the energy to blood clot by the time it's done. No, can we get one man? Because the time best are sure I know you get one man. Rough.
Left me alone.
Eh? No, take off them. Can't do that way there. First thing, you have to be real. No! What you do? We not to know what we're going to shoot because you can't shoot. You have to take too long for this in them. So by the time we don't discuss what we do, we have to remember what we're going to do.
Dandy, it's simple. This is the one, you take off your chain, your earring, put on one shorts, real Jamaican style. Come with your bath pan, ready you come to one. You can't come in a long chain herring. Pretty, what you call, what you have on the name?
Kumpas. Kumpas.
Pretty, this well go out. Who do that? Take a party out up on the river.
Alright, go. Let's take them out. Remember, so we start shooting tonight, so we're going to take them out.
To keep the concept, yeah, try to spoil me there, but I'm not make a spoil it. Come tell us what we're going to do now. Come on. Nah, man, yes, come on, because it's not to start. You have pushed it to the limit. You are trying to mash up the movie scene. I'm done spending my money. Come now, man. But okay, where them come put tonight and done? What? We're going to do it now.
Thank you, review.
And it's stone them and juke me. Come on. It's stone them juke that now.
Thank you for that course, Kenny.
Let me see how you go to now. Up and left, you go come. Good job. One does and two. The two girls going to get. You go come, take off your jeans and put them dust up. But then dip on the water. And everything done, the body wash and gone. What did they clean? What did they wash first then? You come from this. But if you come down, the body gone. They stain everything gone. You go to the skin man. So you know what? But you know, I'm going to take off and dip on the water. You might not take the pan camera on the water with the panty alone. That's the day. Close them. Well, white, yeah, give me the white shirt there. Pass the white shirt there, give me for sure in a washing. Troy. What? Nobody else. Come down, watch it. Hold on, funny. I think I have to most everybody. You can't just eat them. They will catch them. But today I can hold on, funny, and see the same. You could have said that too. If you watch out, you can't join them.
I'm saying nothing more on the phone this way in the water.
What can I do?
Huh? You know what I'm saying? Water? Are you for water? Let's say water. What good girl, I mean? What up a giant, my girl? What up a giant? No, what up a giant, man? Because, you know? Then you just miss what I mean, roll. 1, 2, good girl.
Just wash it out, man. Wash it.
Now watch them. I'm going to come shoot, but I enjoy yourself. I think it's very fun. Dog, dirty dog. What are you doing? No, go yet. Don't use. Come here. Stand up, hold on. You're going to get from the river. Wow! Woogie!
You just see your beard and back your fist.
You're bright, you're bright. Hey!
Yes, dog.
Me! Master babe! No, me love me 3 hours.
Ready? Yeah, my friend today.
Come, take off a shot, come on. Take off a
So yeah, people, that has been it. Well, by the time I reach this point of the video, it's already edited. So my hope is that I edited the entire video so you guys were somewhat entertained. But me personally here, because I've been here so many times, yeah, you know, but shooting and filming and having the camera is always fun for me. But yeah, hope I could have entertained, you know, somewhat, and hope the whole thing was entertaining. But big up on yourself, thanks for tuning in, like the video, subscribe if you're your first time over here, and Laura will see you now very, very soon.